To begin this process, remove the Crystal 12 deposition shield by loosening the two fasteners on the deposition shield cover and removing the deposition shield. Once the deposition shield is removed, remove the crystal carousel assembly. Remove the crystal carousel assembly by gripping it by the protruding hub and pressing in on the edge of the carousel. The carousel assembly pops out. To remove the actuator cover, which is located on the rear of the sensor head, remove the two fasteners securing it. Next, set the power supply to 24 volts. After verifying that the power supply is set to 24 volts, turn it off and connect it to the solenoid valve. Next, set the external air supply to 75 psig. 75 psig is the pressure that will be used for the alignment process. Now take the output of the air supply and connect it to the bellows on Crystal 12. During this process, it is important that an orifice is used. An orifice must be on the airline so there isn't too much pressure applied to the Crystal 12 bellows assembly. Next, loosen but don't remove the detent. Once the detent is loose, move it out of the way. Now rotate the crystal carousel until both set screws on both ratchets are accessible. Loosen but do not remove the 4 set screws. Rotate the carousel location screw until it is at the 6 o'clock position. Once it is at the 6 o'clock position, insert the alignment pin. The alignment pin is correctly inserted if the carousel no longer rotates freely. Now apply 75 psig to Crystal 12. After verifying that the regulator is set to 75 psig, actuate the bellows by applying 24 volts. Once 24 volts are applied, the pawl and actuator on the bellows assembly extends. Next, turn the drive ratchet counterclockwise until a tooth makes contact with the pin on the pawl and actuator. Once the tooth makes contact with the pin on the pawl and actuator, while firmly holding the tooth in place against the pin, tighten the set screws to 7 inch-pounds. Next, turn the stop ratchet clockwise until a tooth makes contact with the pawl and actuator and tighten the set screws to 7 inch-pounds. Next, take the detent that was moved out of the way and insert it into the location space on the drive ratchet as the detent is tightened to 2.5 inch-pounds. Next, test the crystal alignment. To do this, remove the alignment pin and adjust the air pressure to between 80 and 90 psig, normal operating pressure. Once the air supply is adjusted to between 80 and 90 psig, reattach the deposition shield to the Crystal 12 assembly. Verify the alignment by testing the crystal positions in the aperture. This concludes the video.